Alright guys, it's a beautiful day! What happens in your face? What do you mean there's nothing wrong with my face? You have my face! And no more nothing wrong with my face! No more face anywhere! No, my arm! No! I'm sorry, bro. My perfect awesome! It's okay. It's okay. Can you fix it? I can't fix it. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Well, you gotta move out the way. No, I don't want to move out the way. Come on, I gotta move. I gotta see the others. No! It's okay. You will be fixed. No, I'm not. You are lying. Fine, I'll just have to carry you. Chica, what happened to you? What happened to your arms? Yeah, what happened to your arms? Chica, what happened to your arms? It's your active voice box. No, I can't. Oh, Foxy, you actually look really good. Like, yeah, I know, right? I look really cool. Yeah, I know. You look much better than the old ones. Yeah. I don't think I need to fix you. I look so much better like this. Yeah, I know. But what about me? You know what? You cry. What do you mean? Oh, no, I'm gonna go see about my body, Chica. My perfect body. My perfect arm. My perfect everything. We need revenge. You know what? We're gonna do revenge right now. Okay, so we need revenge. Revenge? What are you talking about, Mike? Yeah, revenge. Yeah, revenge. Yeah, let's do revenge. Yeah, yes, revenge. Yeah. Okay, so here's the plan. We are gonna go out once it's 6 a.m. Like once it's closed, and then we're gonna try to find him and kill him. Okay? All right? Yeah, that sounds fun. Okay, here we go. So, Bonnie, I think you should go first, okay? Okay. Remember our plan, okay? I'm the original. You're lying because I'm the original Puny. You call me Puny? Is it Puny? Yeah, that was Puny. Get back in the fight, mate. Who are you? Get back in the fight. Ow, that hurted. So you call that? No, I'm sorry. Deactivating. You call that Beauty? You call that Beauty? Oh no, I'm not done with you. You might be dead, but I'm not done with you. It's my special. You call that fake? Damn, buddy, you're really good at fighting. Yeah, you wasn't really good. Yeah, man, you wasn't really good. Oh, heck, dude, no. Oh, so you want to fight, huh? Want to fight over your dead friend's body? Oh, you better not disrespect me like that. That was weak, puny butt. Puny butt? I'm not a puny butt. Here, that's my special attack. This is my special attack. I could drop your head clean up. Just in one hit. You want that, Billy? You want that, Billy? Yeah.
Oh, heck no. You destroyed my friends. Chicken. I'm not chicken, you're a chicken. That punch was weak. Weak, huh?